Good morning, students. Welcome to the science class. We will discuss about the motion of the earth, that is the rotation, and next one is the revolution. As we know, earth rotates on its own axis, that is known as the rotation, and it always revolves around the sun. That process known as revolution. Earth always rotates from west to east, that is the direction of the earth. Please make it remember, it's very important. Earth always moves from west to east, that means in an anti-clockwise direction. Let's understand the differentiate between the rotation and revolution, students. As the earth rotates on its own axis, rotation means to spin. An axis, we have already studied in the previous video, is an imaginary line that goes through the center of the planet, and earth is tilted 23.5 degree from the vertical position of the earth of the axis. Next is revolution. Earth revolves or revolute around the sun. Revolution means to move around an object. One revolution takes approx 365 days, that is the 1 year, students. As you can see in this picture, this is showing how earth is rotating on its own axis, and simultaneously it is also revolving around the sun. Now we need to figure out how days and night occurs. As we know, the part of the earth facing the sun receives the sunlight and will be the day only, and the other half of the earth that is away from the sun does not receive any sunlight, which will be dark, so it has night. As the earth rotates, different places move near or away from the sunlight, which causes day and night, students. The earth rotates from west to east on its axis. I told you this thing? Yes. Please have a look in this picture. The earth, which is facing the sunlight, has the day, and which is away from the sunlight is our night. Earth's revolution. A revolution occurs as the earth moves around the sun, students. The time for one revolution is 365 days, that is 12 months equals to 1 year. And it consists of the 4 seasons also: winter, spring, summer, autumn seasons, which are the result of the revolution of the movement. Let's understand how these seasons take place. Earth revolves around the sun, and during its revolution, what happens? The earth always remains tilted on its axis at an angle of 23.5 degree. As a result, at a certain time of the year, the northern hemisphere is bent towards the sun, while the southern hemisphere is away from it. At some other times, about 6 months later, the southern hemisphere is bent towards the sun, while the northern hemisphere is away from it, students. The hemisphere which is tilted towards the sun gets the direct sun rays, so we considered it as a warmer. It has longer days as well as the shorter nights. We call it a summer season. At the same time, the other hemisphere that is away from the sun gets slanting sun rays. So it will be cooler. It has shorter days and longer nights. So we consider it as a winter. For example, when it is summer in India, the Brazil will face the winter season. Regions at or near the equator receive the same amount of sunlight all around the year, so it is likely to have summer, that is 12 hours of day and 12 hours of night throughout the year, students. Please have a look in this picture. The sun, the moon is revolving around it. Let's start from the January, that is the northern winter, and the southern summer. The summers will face the southern summer and the northern will face the winter part. As it comes to the March, it will face the northern spring and southern autumn. Further, when it will move towards the right position, then it will be northern summer and southern winter. When it is coming on the top, that is in the month of October and September, that will be northern autumn and southern spring. Again, it comes back to in December and January will be northern winter and southern winter. This is how season actually takes place. Please, students, go through these extra questions. Try to solve this. Try to solve in your science notebook. Thank you, students, for listening this. I hope you have liked the video. Thank you so much.